Hi friends, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lohit from the Digital Marketing Agencies. In this video today, I am going to show you that how to earn a money from the ADS-TERA. That means extra. So the spelling is ADS-TERA, but not ASTERA. So it, this was another way that you can earn the money from your website. So if your website has not approved in the Google AdSense, then what you need to do is you need to go to this website as extra.com. So let us see if this was a very easiest way that you can do it very easily. Once after that, first of all, what you need to do is you need to create an account of this Astra, and then you need to pay, enter your website, and then your website will be approved within 24 hours or just 1 to 5 minutes. It will be approved 100% surely. So actually, basically, I have already have a website here right now only, So I have pasted my website and my website has approved within 5 minutes ago. So let us see now. I'm going to show you that now how I'm going to create a Astra account and how to add a ads in the website. So let's see. Not only in ads, not only in Blogger, you can do it in the WordPress website also. So but I'm going to show you itself in the Blogger itself only. So it was very easy as to that. Now I'm going to show you here itself. So let us see. Now let's see once all of you. Now I'm going to share the screen right now here. Let us see. Now what I'm going to do is that what you need to do is now you need to go to this google.com. So I'm going to create this another account of Extra right now. So let us see. Now what I'm going to do is now let's click on this. Let's go to this website as extra.com, or otherwise there is a I'm going to choose the another email right now. So let's see. Let's go to this another email ID. So I'm going to show you here itself. So let's see. I'm going to select my another email ID. Now you need to go to this Google. Okay, now in this Google, you need to enter the website, name it as ADSTERA, Extra. Let's see. Now you need to go to this website as per the extra.com. So it was a very easiest way that just now I have already told you now, so that your website will be approved 100% surely. So if you have not approved in the Google AdSense, then what you need to do is you need to go to this Astra website. Now let's see. Now what I'm going to do is now you need to go to this main website of Astra.com. Okay, now in the meanwhile, now I'm going to show you here the examples that now how to create this account of Extra.com. So let's see. What I'm going to do is now you need to click it as a sign up. So directly you can log in itself. It's a very easy. So but meanwhile now I'm going to show you it as a how to create it itself. So let's click on sign up. Let's wait. Let, let's click on publisher, or otherwise you can select any one of the option here itself for me. So after you have click it as a sign up, you need to enter your name and email. So let's see, I'm going to enter my name and email ID first of all. Okay, now let's click on continue. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to enter your own username. So for example, now I'm going to enter my other username here. Enter your password. See, messenger option is there now, so I'm going to select it as a Skype only. So or otherwise you need to enter your messenger account. So let's see, for this was the example, I'm going to select it as a PayPal account only. So because I'm using it as a PayPal account only right now. So now let's see once all of you. Now what I'm going to do is you need to enter your PayPal email ID. Okay, now let's click on complete registration. Or first of all, otherwise, first of all, what you need to do is now I'm going to enter my website. Let's see. This was my blog. I'm going to my blogger itself, So let us see again. I'm going to show you here. Let's wait. Now I'm going to share the screen here right now. So let's wait. Let's see once all of you. Okay, now what you need to do is now you need to paste it here. Not only one, not only one website. You can post, you can paste on the many website here itself. And after that, let's click on complete registration. Okay, here it is show. Here it is showing that I am going to selecting it as I'm going to select another account. So let's see. I'm going to selecting it as a Facebook account. At the right. Okay, let's click on company registration. Let's see. In the meanwhile, now I'm going to show you here itself. So let us say I'm going to my Facebook. But it's a very easy, guys. First of all, if you all are watching my video, please subscribe my video for the first time. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a bell icon here, all of you. And now let's see what I'm going to do is now I'm going to copy my profile URL of Facebook, and what you need, I'm going to paste it here. So let's see, I'm going to paste it here itself. So messenger account. I'm going to start writing it as a, I'm going to paste it as a messenger account. Let's click on complete registration. Okay. Now let's see. Now I'm going to what I need to do is now I need to verify this email ID right now for the Extra website. Let's wait once all of you. Right is loading now. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to show you that my sample account here. So let's see. First of all, what I need to do is now I'm going to my another email. So this was the main homepage of my Htra.com. So and how to create a ads in the Htra.com in the I'm going to show you here itself. So it's a really easy only easiest way only, So that's why I'm going to show you at the time once all of you. So let's see. Now I have to read out my website here. Not website. Now I have to read out my Gmail. Okay. Now let's see. Let's click it and then you need to click on verify the Gmail. Let's wait. Okay. Now what I need to do is now I'm okay. Now your email has been approved successfully. And now what I'm going to blogger.com. Now let's see. Okay, now what I'm going to do is now you need to sign in button. Just now whatever you have entered a username, new username. So you need to enter that and then you need to log in here. Let it be wait now it's loading also in the meanwhile. Okay, this was the main dashboard of Edster.com. Now what I'm going to do is now how to add a link. So in the down of this option here it is showing that add new website is there. So or otherwise if you don't have a website, you can click on add it directly. So first of all, that means I have a website only, so that's why now I'm going to click it as a add new website. So after you have clicked it as a add new website, you can select any one option here itself. So let us see now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to paste my website. Let's see. Let's see once all of you. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to paste copy my website. Let's click on copy, and then you need to paste it here. Okay, let's see. Let's choose any category here. I'm going to selecting it as a social. Or you can select any ad units here itself. So or otherwise, you can select a software ads also. So let's see. I'm going to remove this. Let's click on remove this, uh, and then you need to click on add. Let's see. Let's click on add. This was the example. Now I'm going to show you here itself. So let us see. In the meanwhile, for example, now or otherwise, I'm going to show you the my another blog. Let's see. Okay, now this was the example. Now what I'm going to do is now you need to click on this layout. Not layout. First of all, I'm going to copy my new website. Let's click on copy, and then you need to paste it here. Okay, let's click on paste it here, and then you need to click on add. Let's click on and let's click on ads. Okay, now we have got it. Add new website. Let's click on got it. Okay, now your website will be approved within 1 to 5 minutes exactly. Now, now first of all, let us see. Now I'm going to read out this website. Now let's see. Now, but still it is pending now. So let us be wait for 2 to 5 minutes exactly. Okay, now let's see. Just now my website has been approved now. So let us see. After that, your site has been approved, then what you need to do is now you need to click on the get code is there. No? So you need to select this option as get code. Get code is there. No? So let's click on as a get code. So here let's click on copy this code. After after you need to click after that you need to go to this layout option in the blogger.com itself. So in this layout option, I'm going to choose it as a sidebar only. So let's click on sidebar, add a gadget. And then you need to select it as a HTML or JavaScript. Okay, this was content. Okay, now you need to paste this code into here itself. Let's click on save. Let's click on save here. Okay, now let's see once. Now let us see. I'm going to read out it here. Okay, now we have got it here on Nino. So let's click it here. So it's a very easiest way, guys. Just now we have got it. You will be get it like this only. So it was a very easiest way, guys. So especially for those who are watching your website, earn the money from this website as astro.com. It's a very easy, guys. So but recently it's only so presently no, but still I have to increase my, especially for those who are having any doubts regarding about this topic of YouTube channel. Thank you.